Hi, I am back in my kitchen to show you this Black & Decker steam mop that I'm really impressed with. I'm very lucky that I had this given to me, and to be honest, it has made the job of cleaning the floors so easy, and highly recommend if anyone has a front room that opens straight onto your front door and you have dogs. But I actually had to share this. It's got 3 settings. It's got laminate, wood and stone. I'm going to try this on my kitchen floor, which is stone, and show you how easy it is to use. Just bear with me. Here we go. Right. So, there we go. It's ready to use. So, here we go. And literally no time at all, and that has heated up. Literally, oh, I'm not joking, this has helped me keep my floors so nice and sort of dog print free. And obviously I'm just doing this with one hand at the moment. And I find that absolutely perfect. It just takes everything up. Well, I'm actually going to continue finishing this, and you can already see the shine off the floor anyway. So that is looking really nice. And quick drying time as well. As I said, I'm going to continue with this and finish my floor, because you don't need to see me continually mopping. But honestly, highly recommend it. I have included links to where you can buy this model, and obviously if you go on the Black & Decker website, they've got the updated model available, and not actually badly priced. So, and look, I'm done. And it smells fabulous. So again guys, I really recommend it. Saves filling a bucket of water up every time, and literally as soon as you stand it up, it's finished. So that's my short video on the Black & Decker steam mop. Really happy with it. Take a look and see what you think.